Hmm.
See, anger is not, if you are putting attention on the third eye, you may get anger. If your Lord chakras are not balanced, then you may get anger. The problem is that whenever you start doing meditation, the energy will come to your weakest chakra. And the chakra which is responsible for anger is your heart chakra. Okay. So whenever you are working on yourself, your energy, you are doing a lot of changes in the energy pattern of your body. And when you are doing the changes, the energy is shifting to one particular place where all the negativities are there. It has to clear up. For example, there is a pipe over here, and I try to cleanse that pipe. So the pipe is dirty inside. There are a lot of clottings inside that pipe, and because you have to remove that dot clotting, so wherever the clottings are, you will get a lot of pressure at that point. In If you are getting a lot of like anger issues, that simply means your heart chakra is having a lot of clotting. Clotting
ये
means
सर
all
3
the
दिन से दर्द
suppressed
भी हो रहा है,
emotion.
दर्द भी।
So all the suppressed emotions are there. That simply means the emotions are suppressed over there. So let it remove. If you're really angry, just jump in the air. First of all, do some physical exercise, like doing this, the shaking of your body, and throwing your breath away. Clear that inside whatever blockage are there. Clear that. That's why we do catharsis. So that is required. Do not uh, do meditation for a longer time. Rather, do the preparation for a longer time. The preparation is the yoga and pranayama and the physical exercise and catharsis that we do. That is mandatory. And if you really feel like shouting, shout inside your bathroom. Do whatever you want to do inside your bathroom. And before you shout on anybody and spoil your day, don't do that. First of all, do that thing inside your bathroom and ask other people, put a bucket on your head, an empty bucket and toppled on your head, and then you shout whatever you want, so that all the negativity comes out. Then things will be over after some time. It will not go longer. It will maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes maximum. In that time period, it will be over, and you will feel so relaxed, so relaxed. After that, all the anger will be gone forever, forever. We want that forever thing to happen. That is extremely important. Is that clear?
यस सर। सर थैंक यू सर। अभी मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आज बहुत 3-4 दिनों से सर झगड़ा भी हो गया। मैंने कहा ये आज तक तो हुआ नहीं, आज कैसे हो गया।